We are going through a nature walk after walking down the mountain. Now we're walking close to the river. As you can see on my right is the mountain. Here in Ouzud, people sleep anywhere and everywhere. They just camp out and there's no regulation. It's a nice cool weather. It's not too hot today. It's a nice breeze as well because we're walking down the river. You get this cold breeze hitting your body. Feels quite nice. We're just walking close to the waterfall. There are lots of village people taking the normal daily showers or daily bath.
Look over those figs, maybe get it.
These are not ripe, Abu. They have lots of figs and olive tree everywhere. I don't think it's the ripe season. Probably a few months time everything will be ripe. Here it looks more ripe. If you find any black ones, just get them. Yeah, black ones are ripe. Yeah. Now we are here where the waterfall is. As you can see, lots of young men are swimming.